Good day, math learners! Welcome to our first lesson, which is factoring greatest common factor or common monomial factor. Our objective is to factor completely different types of polynomials with common monomial factor. Ano nga ba yung GCF? So, pag sinabi natin GCF, ito yung greatest common factor. It refers to the common factor having the greatest numerical factor and with the variables having the least degree. Pag sinabi natin greatest numerical value or factor, ito yung factor natin na may pinakamataas na magkapareho sila. At pag sinabi naman nating least degree, ito naman yung variable na mayroong pinakamababang exponent. Okay? Let us have an example. 6a squared and 15a raised to 4. Ang gagawin natin is kuhanin ang kanilang prime factorization. So, ang prime factorization nila ay 2 times 3 times a squared, while sa 15a raised to 4 naman ay 3 times 5 times a raised to 4. Kunin natin yung greatest numerical factor. So, dito ay 3. Okay, tama ba? Next, we have a squared and a raised to 4. Kuhanin natin yung may pinakamababang exponent. Okay, which is a squared. So, therefore, ang GCF natin with the given terms is 3a squared. Tandaan na ang factoring is the reverse process of multiplication. Example number 1. 20a squared b c cubed minus 25a cubed b squared c squared is equal to, ulit, ang gagawin natin, kuhanin ang kanilang prime factorization or yung factor nila. So sa 20, ang prime factorizations niya ay 5 times 2 times 2 at sa 25 naman ay 5 times 5. Then, we have a squared and a cubed, b squared, c cubed, and c squared. Okay? So, dito sa ating numerical factor, ang GCF natin dyan is 5. Dito naman, sa ating variable with their exponents, kuhanin natin yung may pinakamababang exponent in each variable. So, sa a squared, a cubed, that is a squared. Then, we have b, then c squared. Then, ang GCF natin, pagsama-samahin lang natin kung ano yung nakuha natin. So, that is 5, a squared, b, c squared. So, ito ngayon yun. Ito yung first factor natin. Then, gagawa tayo ng parenthesis. Okay? So, yung makukuha natin kapag dinivide natin yung ating given dito sa GCF natin, yun yung ilalagay natin dito sa loob ng ating parenthesis. So, 20a squared bc cubed divided by 5a squared bc squared, that is 4c. Okay? So, bakit nawala yung a squared saka yung b? Kasi a squared divided by a squared, that is equal to 1, cancel out na natin yun. Wala na tayong variable na isusulat. The same with b. So, b divided by b, that is also 1. So, cancel out na natin yung variable na yon. Then, proceed tayo dito sa ating second term. So, 25, negative 25 divided by 5, that is 5. Then, we have a cubed divided by a squared, that is a. B squared divided by b is b. Then, c squared divided by c squared is equal to 1. So, cancel out na natin yon. Okay? So, therefore, ang ating factors ngayon ay 5a squared b squared times the quantity 4c minus 5ab. Let us have more example. Suppose we have 10a squared minus 5a. So, kunin lang natin yung factors nila. Numerical factor natin is, ng 10 is 5 times 2. Yung 5 natin, that is 5 times 1. So, ang GCF natin dyan is 5. Then, dito sa ating variable with the exponent a squared and a, ang ating GCF ngayon is a. So, pag pinagsama natin sila, that is 5a. So, yun yung isusulat natin dito. Ito yung first factor natin. Then, proceed tayo dun sa ating second factor na isusulat natin sa loob ng parentheses. So, 10a squared divided by the 5a, that is 2a. Then, negative 5a divided by the 5a, that is negative 1. So, ang final answer natin o yung factors natin is 5a times the quantity 2a minus 1. Another example, 6x squared y minus 12xy squared plus 36x squared y squared. Ulitin natin, kukunin muna natin yung factor nila, numerical factor. So we have 6 times 1 for 6, 6 times 2 for 12, then we have 6 times 6 is 36. Then, ang common factor sa kanila, greatest common factor ay 6. How about the variable? So, hindi na naman sisulat dito. So, x squared, x, and x squared. Ano yung pinakamababa doon? X. Then, yung y squared, y squared, and y squared, ang pinakamababa doon ay y. So, pagsamahin natin yung GCF na nakuha natin, that is 6xy. So, eto ngayon yun. Ito yung first factor natin. Then, proceed tayo sa ating second factor. Magdi-divide tayo ngayon. So, 6x squared y divided by 6xy, that is x. Negative 12xy squared divided by 6xy, that is negative 2y. 36x squared y squared divided by 6xy, that is 6xy. Therefore, ang factors natin is 6xy times the quantity x minus 2y plus 6xy. Another example, 2a times the quantity x plus y minus 3b times the quantity x plus y. Okay? So, ito medyo madali to. So, mukha lang mahirap tingnan, pero madali lang kuhanin ang ating GCF. So, tingnan natin. So, meron tayong common sa kanila, which is x plus y. So, ayun yung magiging first factor natin, x plus y. Then, yung magiging second factor natin, kukunin lang natin yung remaining terms. So, ito ay 2a. Ito po yun. Then, we have negative 3b. Ito po yun. So, ito na ating final answer. That is x plus y times the quantity 2a minus 3b. You can try answering the activity in your self-learning modules. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. I am Ma'am Rovi. Keep safe and God bless.